In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix corrupted Microsoft Store, clear the cache fastest. If your Microsoft Store is acting strangely, not opening properly, or having trouble downloading apps, one of the quickest things you can do is clear its cache. This built-in reset method is simple, fast, and usually only takes a few moments to complete. To begin, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Run box, which is a small window that lets you quickly launch commands in Windows. If you've never used it before, don't worry, this is completely normal and safe for this fix. Once the Run box appears, click into the text field and type wsreset.exe. Make sure it's entered exactly as shown, since this is the command that tells Windows to clear the Microsoft Store cache. After that, click OK, or simply press Enter on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, a blank black window will appear. This is expected, so don't close it or click around trying to stop it. Even though it may look like nothing is happening, Windows is working in the background to reset the store cache and clean up temporary data that may be causing the issue. Now just wait. In most cases, this takes less than 30 seconds, although it can vary slightly depending on your system. The important thing is to let the process finish on its own. When it's done, the black window will automatically close, and Microsoft Store should open by itself. That's your sign the reset is complete. At that point, you can try using the store again and see if the problem has been fixed. This is one of the fastest ways to repair common Microsoft Store